Hi, welcome. I'm really excited to share with you about this incredible series of videos you're going to be able to watch with my mentor, an incredible human being. His name was Nelson Nash. Now, Nelson was the best-selling author of this book, Becoming Your Own Banker. So you're going to get to see Nelson, and this is a previously unreleased video. It was recorded really for training purposes to be able to reflect back on and learn some important lessons from Nelson. Now, unfortunately, at the time of this release, Nelson's no longer with us. He passed away shortly after his 88th revolution around the sun, as Nelson would say, and we miss him dearly. And so we believe in our heart of hearts that Nelson would want this type of information, context from his seminar where he would deliver and teach people about the concept of infinite banking, available for the public to see. So you're going to go through a series of videos. They are all in an order, but they'll be segmented through different lessons. And again, it was never recorded with a professional film crew, so we've gone to some great lengths to make sure that we've gotten transcriptions available to follow along throughout the video. There's going to be periods where you'll see Nelson in the frame, periods where you see a picture of Nelson. We'll have some additional context information and images that'll appear throughout the segment to clarify. We'll have a few of the charts from Nelson's book and other components of the book that we'll bring up as Nelson teaches. So we hope you enjoy this series of videos. It's not Nelson's full 10-hour seminar as he would normally deliver it, but there's a good chunk of it that is there. Now, this was recorded in Canada, but Nelson delivered everything the same way he did every time, whether he was in front of a group of financial professionals or if he was meeting with the general public, which is what he loved to do. Nelson loved to teach, he loved to speak, and it's uncanny at his age, even when this was recorded, the stamina that he had and his passion for things. So we hope that you enjoy it. Make sure that you get a copy of this book, Becoming Your Own Banker. It's great to have this available to follow along. And we hope that you get value from Nelson's message. And even if this is a process that isn't for you, that's totally fine. There's so much to learn from Nelson and his wisdom, his way of looking at the world, his comedic methodology, the way that he would deliver even jokes with a punchline, but with a lesson attached to it. So I hope you get a ton of value out of it. I know I do every time I get a chance to sit and learn, reflect, and think about my time with the incredible Nelson Nash.